morning students and welcome to your GK class. Dear students, in your today's GK class, I am going to teach you all lesson 30 blooming flowers and lesson 31 our natural friends. So let's start with lesson 30 blooming flowers given in page number 16 of your GK book. Here in page number 60, you can see there are some beautiful flowers given in this page. What you have to do is, you have to recognize each flower and write its name from the help box. Here in the middle of this page, you can see that the name of some flowers are written in this box. You have to choose the names and you have to identify the flower with their names. So let us know about what do you mean by blooming. The title of this lesson is Blooming Flowers. What do you know about the term blooming? Children, blooming means exhibiting the freshness and beauties of youth and health. Blooming means exhibiting the freshness, the beauty of youth and health. Blooming flowers. What do you mean by blooming flowers? The title of this lesson is Blooming Flowers. From the word blooming flowers, it means that blooming flowers means you might have seen a flower. A flower has many petals, children. A flower has many petals. But when the bird unfolds its petal, when the bird of a flower unfolds its petals, then that is called as blooming. That is called as blooming. When the petals of a bird looks like this. So when a bird of a flower folds its petals, it looks like this. But when the petal of the birds unfolds its petals and it shows the youth, it shows its beauty, it shows the youth, then it is called as blooming. When the birds blooms, it becomes flower, it becomes flower. So it is called as blooming of flower. Blooming flower symbolizes life to death. What does blooming flower symbolize? Blooming flower symbolize life to death. It also symbolizes purity to passion. A blooming flower symbolizes life towards death and purity towards passion. Flowers are associated with youth, beauty and pleasure. Flowers are associated with youth, beauty and pleasure. Children, there are a variety of flowers you can see all around yourself. When you will see in your garden or in any park, when you will visit any park or any garden, you will see a variety of flowers. Or if you will visit city park of our place Bokaro, then you will definitely get different kinds of flower. You will definitely see different kinds of flower there. So children, in this lesson you have to see these pictures and you have to identify the name of the flower from the help box given in your book. Let us know about Let us identify the flower. Here, this flower, look at this flower. Which flower is this? It is yellow in color and the middle portion of this flower is brown. The leaves are green. Which flower is this? I have drawn some flower on the board also. This is a sunflower. This is a sunflower. Children, you can see sunflower in almost all the seasons, whether it is summer, winter or in monsoon season also. You can see sunflower. It is yellow in color and yellow and black in color, and the leaves of this flower is green. It moves. The sunflower moves according to the movement of the sun. So, sun rays. So, this flower is sunflower. It is a very common flower which you can see or which you can find in any season, whether it is in summer season, winter season or monsoon season. Now let's move to the second flower. Number 2. Which flower is this? Yes, I have drawn the picture of this flower here. It is a 3 or 4 petal flower. Sunflower has many petals. Sunflower has many petals. But which in the second flower to which I am introducing you, this is a flower which has only 3, 4 or maximum 5 petals. It is yellow in color, but it is not limited to only yellow color, children. This flower is tulip. You can find tulip mostly in winter season, and the leaves of the tulip is plain and long. Plain and long leaves. Tulip has plain and long green leaves, and it has maximum 4 or 5 petals. You can see tulip of red, white, purple color or pink also. It is mostly found in winter season. Now, moving to the third flower, that is, yes children, you can see that the color of this flower is red. Yes, this flower is commonly seen in red color, but you can also find this flower in many other colors too. Which flower is this? This flower has 5 petals and the green curly leaves. This is hibiscus. This flower is generally found in all the seasons and anywhere. You can see hibiscus in your garden also. Hibiscus is mostly found in red, white, yellow, blue, pink in color. Next one. Number 4. Which flower is this? I think that you all are familiar with this flower. This is a marigold. Yes children, in winter season you will see different varieties of marigold. Some are orange in color, some are green, some are yellow in color, some are maroon in color, and some are maroon and white in color, maroon and yellow mix in color. And this flower, this marigold has many petals in it. Marigold flower has many petals. Many small petals are there in one flower. And This flower has many leaves also. Now, it is mostly found in winter season. Find in winter season. Next, which flower is this? This is carnation. Yes, children, it is a very uncommon flower. You will not find carnation everywhere. It is mostly found in winter season and in a special garden. It needs proper care. Okay, so it is mostly found in winter season. Last but not the least, number 6. This is daisy. This flower is daisy. Yes, I have drawn daisy flower here. Daisy has many petals. Daisy has many petals and you can find daisy in many colors, such as in your book you can see pink daisy is there. But children, you can find daisy in other colors also, such as white, yellow, orange and pink. So, these are the different flowers. You have to write the name of these flowers in this area, in the space provided in your book. Now let's study about lesson 31 of our natural friends, given in page number 21 of your book. Children, our natural friends. Who are our natural friends? Plants? Yes, children. Plants are our natural friends. Animals? Yes, we can also see that animals are also our natural friends. And trees, big huge trees are also our natural friends. So trees, plants, animals, all are the gift of nature. So these are our natural friends. And we get many things. We get many things from plants and animals. You might have learned in your EVS book also that we get many things from plants and animals. So let us read about the things. Let us read about the things that we get from plants and animals. What are the things that we get from plants and animals? Now let's see page number 21 of your GK book. Yes, trees, plants and animals are friends that nature has given us. Trees, plants and animals all are the gift of nature. Who has given all these gifts to us? Nature. We get many things from them. Yes, children, the fruits, the vegetables, the wood, all these things we get from plants and trees. And the milk, wool, all these things, eggs, we get from animals. Now, let us see that which animal and which tree or plant gives what things. Number 1, bee. Yes, children, honeybee. Bee, honeybee. We mostly honey. Bee gives us, bee is an insect and bee gives us honey. It is also called as honeybee. Number 2, hen, duck. Here you can see in number 2 there is a picture of hen and duck. What do we get from hen and duck? They lay eggs. They lay eggs. Hen and duck lays eggs. So we get eggs from hen and duck. So you will write number 2 here near eggs. Number 3, sheep. Sheep is an animal or a plant? Sheep is an animal. What do we get from sheep? Sheep gives us wool. So you will write number 3 as wool. We get wool from sheep. Now let's move towards number 4. Plants. What do we get from plants, children? We get medicine. We get medicine from plants. There are some plants to whom we call as medicinal plants, such as tulsi, aloe vera, neem. So we get medicine from plants. So you will write number 4 near the medicine. Now number 5, tree. What are the things that we get from trees? Children, trees gives us many things. Trees gives us many things. What are the things? Fruits, vegetables, wood, all these things, wood, oil, gum, cotton, all these things, spices we get from trees. So let's find out what are the things that we get from tree. Number 5 is tree. Yes, here you can see flowers, fruits, wood. So you will write number 5. In all the places we get wood from tree. We get flowers and fruits from tree. So you will write number 5 in all these places. Next is number 6. The last one. Yes, what is this? This is a cow. This is a cow. What do we get from cow? A cow gives us milk. A cow gives us milk. So you will match milk with number 6. We get milk from cow. So here cow is on the number 6. You will write cow is there. So you will also write number 6 here near the milk. We get milk from cow. So these are our natural friends. Who are our natural friends? Trees, plants and animals are our natural friends. And these friends gives us different kinds of things, such as we get eggs from hen and duck. We get honey from honeybee. We get milk from cow. We get fruits, flowers and wood from trees. We get medicine from plants and we get wool from sheep. So these are all about our natural friends, children. Children, I hope that you will like this video. You will watch this video at your home and you will study both the lesson 30, blooming flowers, and lesson 31, our natural friends, at your home, and you will do the work in your book. Thank you, children.